Hello YouTube, it's Gadgetmainia here with an unboxing of a Corsair Raptor K30 gaming keyboard. On the front it shows a picture of the keyboard and says Corsair Raptor K30 gaming keyboard designed for performance gaming. It's got red backlit keys, 6 programmable G keys. On the side it says Corsair Raptor K30. On the front it says Corsair Raptor K30. And on the other side it says Corsair Raptor K30, keyboard layout English QWERTY. And on the back it says Corsair Raptor K30, backlit keys, 6 programmable keys and easy access media controls. And on the back it just talks about the specs more. It's got 36K of memory. 3 different tone brightnesses of the red backlit for the keys. It's got dedicated media buttons, a Windows lock button, and if I just take it out of the box and put it aside for a minute, we've got the instruction manual and the warranty guide, so I'll just put that aside. I'll just get the cable out of there, and I don't think there's anything else in there now. The USB says Corsair on the end and is red coated. It's a decent length USB cable. I'll just take the keyboard out of its bag. It's got flip out feet on the bottom. If I just pull this bit of plastic off here, it says Corsair, micro recording key, the programmable G keys, Windows lock, brightness control, the media keys, highlighted SAWD for moving back forward in games. It's got a nice feel to the keyboard. It's got a nice grip on the desk. This has been an unboxing of the Corsair Raptor K30 gaming keyboard. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe.